I wrote this in July, after we'd gone on our 2 dates. We were about to say goodbye. You ready?
Yeah.
You jerk. Dear Steven, I was looking at the photo of you I took at the coffee shop. Just seeing your face makes me giggle. I noticed though that in both of those photos, you don't let your teeth show when you smile. I hope one day I capture your full, cheesy, uncontained smile and laugh on camera. If this is how I feel every time you look at me for however long we're together, I think I'd be okay with that. Even as I write these words, it is quite obvious to me that I'm falling for you. We haven't said those words yet. In fact, I haven't the slightest clue when we might exchange those words. But when we say goodnight or you look at me the way you do, there's a part of me that has to hold back from saying it. So, I love you far more than I did 3 years ago. And I was wondering if you will marry me.
Sure.
Yay! Are you glad I proposed back?
Yeah, that was pretty cute.
As you all know, it is pretty fitting that we are gathered here today on top of a mountain to celebrate this marriage, and it is another testament to the thoughtfulness and intentionality behind this day. One of the greatest joys in life is when you meet the person that you will spend the rest of your life with, a person you want to come home to at the end of the hard days.
Steven, I've tried to pinpoint when I knew that you were the person I wanted to spend my life with. And even though that realization and decision happened slowly, there's one moment that solidified everything for me. In May 2021, at my first time going to Edisto, you insisted on printing out the directions, even though they're cell service, and I gave you so much grief for it. I had only been without you for 24 hours, and I was going to see you in 3 weeks, but I already missed you. In that moment, I realized that no amount of time with you was ever going to feel like enough. And while forever might not be a possibility, I decided that day that I would settle for the next best thing, which is my forever.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
Yeah. You're so funny.
Thanks. You like it?
Rebecca, Ellen, and for the last time, Van Venner. The way we are choosing to commit our lives to one another is anything but conventional. But that's also a fitting way to solidify a relationship that has been anything but conventional. Whether that be dating for almost 2 months before we met in person for the first time, or spending less than 30 days in person total in our first year together, nothing about our love story has been normal. That being said, even with all the unconventional things happening surrounding this wedding, the one convention I could not miss is that I am standing here with you in front of close friends and family, committing the rest of my life to you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Growing up, there were a number of movies that were staples in the Andreen household, and I think I would be remiss if I didn't call on a couple of classic lines on this occasion.
Marriage.
Marriage is what brings us together today. Marriage, that blessed arrangement, that dream within a dream.
Stephen, you are truly the perfect partner for Rebecca. You see her not just for the incredible person that she is, but for the person she aspires to be. Rebecca, you knew exactly what you needed and wanted in a partner, and you found that in Stephen. I couldn't be happier for the two of you, and I'm so excited to see the life that you create together.